Hey guys, this is Mike, editor of Cannabis Stock Trades. Today I am dropping in to show you a very bullish chart formation that is happening on Auscann Holdings, one of my favorite cannabis stocks. Now, before I show you the chart that I'm talking about, I wanted to share a little bit of background. Auscann Holdings is one of my favorite cannabis companies. Auscann Holdings is an early leader in the high-growth Australian cannabis market. The thing that makes Auscann so interesting to me is that Auscann was one of the first companies in Australia to secure a very hard-to-get permit from the Australian government that makes it legal for Auscann to produce and sell medical cannabis. So landing this permit was a huge deal. It gave Auscann first mover advantage over the competition, and I think that positions Auscann to be a future industry leader in the Australian cannabis industry. So that's a little bit of information on the longer term picture for Auscann. But in the short run, I want to show you guys something that I think is really interesting. I see a bullish formation happening on the Auscann Holdings chart that I want to show everyone. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. What you see here is an Auscann Holdings chart, and this is a 2-year chart for the last 2 years. So it's basically 2017 and 2018. And what you see in 2017 is shares mostly flat for most of the year, but then at the end of the year, they basically went vertical and hit a new all-time high in early 2018. However, since then, Auscann has been pretty weak. Auscann spent most of 2018 trending lower on this trend line, and you can see that happening right here. Every month, lower, lower, lower. Okay, within the last month, however, there's been a very big development on the Auscann Holdings chart that I want to make sure everyone knows about. It looks like Auscann Holdings has finally broken this downtrend, and you can see that happening right here in late December is when it started happening. That's when Auscann bottomed out. Shares bottomed out at about, what is it here, 33 cents. And right now, Auscann's trading at 55 cents. So that's about a 60 or 65% bounce in the last month or so. And what you can see is that if we take a trend line and we draw a trend line from the beginning of this down move to the bounce, what you can see here is Auscann Holdings has broken this downtrend. That's a very important signal. It's a bullish signal, and it tells me that this could be a rebound and a long-term reversal in the Auscann Holdings share price. This is the exact same formation that we saw in Canopy recently, where Canopy had broken a multi-month downtrend, and the response in Canopy was a big-time rally, and Canopy has seen some pretty big gains in the last couple of weeks. So at any rate, this is interesting what's happening with Auscann right now. It's a bullish signal. I'm optimistic on what's going on in the chart. I'll be keeping a close eye on Auscann. If anyone has questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you guys.